Did you just get hit by Texas hail and you're looking for a high-end repair shop to work on your car? Your insurance company may have given you a list of repair facilities that they're trying to steer you towards. The good news is, here in the state of Texas, the number one power that you have as the consumer is to choose your repair shop. The insurance company cannot tell you where to repair your car. It's your car. You need to feel comfortable with who is repairing it and how they are repairing it. Here at American Dent Specialists, we work for you, the customer, as an independent advocate with the insurance. But we do not want them overseeing the repair process. We want to make sure it's done the way the manufacturer made it and the way we as expert technicians know how to repair it. So give us a call here at American Dent Specialists. We're happy to look at your vehicle and tell you how we can help you fully bring your car back to its original condition using our paintless dent repair methods. Thank you.